Hello everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. This is the fourth part revision for the unit of teaching aptitude, and today we can see online learning initiatives by Indian government. To start with Swayam, it's an online learning platform that hosts a number of courses from various institutes, and the main motto of Swayam is to provide quality education which is accessible for everyone. Basically, to provide equal learning opportunities for everyone. Swayam Prabha is a network of DTH channel for education. There are several DTH channels for education, and the content for these channels are provided by institutions like IIT, NPTEL, UGC and Indira Gandhi National Open University, NCRT and NIOS. Next, National Digital Library. This is a repository for all learning resources. We can access ebooks through National Digital Library. Next is eShodh Sindhu. This is considered to be backbone for research in higher education system in India. This gives us access to full text journals, bibliography and citation databases. This has over 15,000 peer-reviewed journals and it's an excellent resource for research. Next, National Repository of Open Educational Resources. This has a vast number of learning resources specifically for primary, secondary and senior secondary classes. Next is ePathshala. This was developed by NCRT, and here we can access the digital textbooks of NCRT and various other learning resources. There are also graded learning materials available in ePathshala. Diksha is an online platform that offers engaging learning material that is related to school curriculum. This platform can be used by teachers, school students and parents. This currently supports courses from NCRT, CBSE and SCERT, that is at state level. NPTEL is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. In this portal, you can find lot of courses from IIT institutes, and this is an excellent platform to learn and upskill. We'll see some more digital initiatives. Vidwan, this is a database of faculty members, scientists and researchers at topmost institutions of India. DigiLocker, this is an online platform where we can store, share and verify important documents and certificates. And Samarth, this is an online platform which is exclusive for higher education and universities. Nishta is specifically for school heads and teachers advancement. The full form is National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement. Sakshat is a one-stop online portal. Here in the home page of Sakshat, you can find in the menu, you can find links for Swayam, Swayam Prabha, NIDL and other e-learning resources. So the motto is to encourage lifelong learning for students and teachers at free of cost. Now we can revise some previous year questions from this topic. First question, what is Swayam? Options are NGO, B. Digital program to achieve principles of education, C. Online platform and D. Name of a website. B is the right answer. It's a digital initiative which aims to achieve the principles of education. Second question, there are two lists given here, list 1 and list 2. List 1 is about the digital initiatives and list 2 gives a description of these initiatives. A. Vidwan, B. DigiLocker, C. Sakshat and D. Shodhganga. Vidwan, we know it's a database of faculty members, researchers and scientists at premier institutions of India. So A matches with 3. DigiLocker is for documents and certificates. So B 4. Sakshat is an online education portal. So C 2 and D 1. So A 3, B 4, C 2, D 1. B is the right answer for this question. Third question, there are two lists again. First is National Coordinator of Swayam, and in list 2 you can find the description of that portal or institute. So NPTEL is for engineering, A2, CEC is for undergraduate education, B4, NCRT and NIOS is for school education, so C1 and D is for NTTR is for teacher training program. D3. Look at the right option here. A2, B4, C1, D3. B is the right answer for this question. Next, question number 4. With regard to DigiLocker, which of the following statements are correct? We know DigiLocker is for important documents and certificates. We can share, we can verify, and we can store these certificates there. So, option A, it is a digital locker system offered by government under Digital India program. Yes, this statement is correct. B, it provides financial and technical assistance to young startup entrepreneurs. No, it does not offer that sort of an assistance. So B is not a right statement. C, it allows users to access their documents irrespective of physical location. Yes, C is a right statement. So A and C are right, correct statements. In options A and C, okay, B is the right answer. Next, 5th question. Here again there are two lists. A, Swayam, B, Spoken Tutorial, C, E-Granthalaya software, and D, E-Yantra. In list 2, we can find a statement on what is this portal about. So, Swayam, we know it's for personalized and adaptive learning. A4, B, Spoken Tutorial is an open source software which promotes digital literacy. So, B will match with 3. A4, B3. E-Granthalaya software, it's a library management software. C1. D, E-Yantra is about this robotic competition. So D2. A4, B3, C1, D2. The option D is the right answer. Last question. Gyan Darshan launched by Indira Gandhi National Open University refers to which one of the following? A, satellite based TV channel, B, educational FM radio network, C, global initiative of academic network, D, online courses. Okay, A is the right answer. It is a TV channel launched by Indira Gandhi National Open University. And B, educational FM radio network. There is educational FM radio network, but its name is Gyan Vani. Gyan Darshan is a TV channel and Gyan Vani is the FM radio network. So A is the right answer for this question. With that, we wrap up our revision for teaching aptitude, and from tomorrow we can revise research aptitude. Please do like and share our video and subscribe to Druv Online Academy. Thank you.